How to update Mozilla Firefox browser on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Mozilla Firefox. This is the homepage as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go to the top corner, click here, click settings. Now all what you have to do is click on general and scroll down. Right here you will find, as you can see, this Firefox updates option. Click check for updates, and now as you can see, Firefox is up to date. Now I have the latest version, as you can see, and you can do the same thing to see if you have the last version of Firefox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.